subscribe for more updates. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you Goan famous mackerel fish recheado recipe. My mom always makes this recipe for us, which is our favorite. So let's see how she will prepare in traditional way. Here we have taken mackerel fish. Quantity of the fish is up to you. First we need to clean. Once done, we need to cut it like this. Once done, we have to wash the fishes thoroughly. For masala, 2 inch of cinnamon stick, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of cloves, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, lemon size of tamarind, 1 whole garlic cloves, approximately 25 Kashmiri red chilies. We need to grind it into a fine paste. Next, we need to take 4 to 5 tablespoons of ground masala. To this, we need to add salt as per taste, 1 tablespoon of sugar, it is optional, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Here we are using Goan vinegar. Mix well. Next, we need to stuff the masala inside the fish. Coat the masala outside the fish as well. As you can see here, stuffed masala fishes are ready. We need to keep it for 30 minutes for marination. After 30 minutes, in a frying pan, add some oil and we need to fry it on medium to low flame. Once one side is cooked well, flip over it to another side and cook it another side too. And that's it, Goan famous mackerel recheado recipe is ready to be served. Must try this recipe at your home and do let me know how it was. If you like this recipe, please give a like, share with your friends and family. Comment me in the comment section if you have tried it. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you in my next video.